Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
Good morning, traders. This is Michael coming to you from GammaEdge on Friday, November 3rd. We're going to do a pre-market morning strategy and briefing session. We're going to be looking at a few different tools we use here at GammaEdge, a little bit different content this morning. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it with the 0 DTE on our web app. So displaying the 0 DTE, first we should look at where spot price is, the closing as of yesterday. Then quickly our eyes should be drawn to the transition level. That will be extremely important as we go through today. We have 800,000 OI, pretty significant expiry for today. So we'll be able to set up our trading plans via a narrow and tight transition range. 4,300 will be extremely important as we go through the day. Obviously, we're getting a gap up from some news. So any pullback to 4,300, I'd be looking for it to be supportive due to the positive net deltas and the market structure, the call OI and charm that will be supportive through the afternoon. Again, moving up towards and past this 4,350 will most likely be difficult. We do have in the money calls, call dominated above and below spot price in a positive gamma condition, but we also see those in the money puts that start coming in around 43.50. Unless we get a significant erosion and targeting above 43.50, we may see a quick move through that level above and then a possible pullback around that level again, unless we see a significant erosion of these in the money puts and out of the money call speculators come in. So we'll go ahead and jump into some other content that I wanted to go over today. This is a market structure heat map that we've developed here at GammaEdge. Basically, this is just allowing us to look at our delta states as we go through time. Basically, I'm going to draw your eye to the symbol and the color coding here. As of last week, all of our delta states were pretty much in the red. Significant amount of our liquidity stocks that we track, which are the largest weighted SPX stocks, were all red. Now you see a significant change back to green. You'll see the red change to yellow and then back to green, and these are into a in the money and out of the money call dominated state, which you would anticipate and expect if the market is going to have a significant sustained trend move up. Then we would need to be call dominated above and below spot price, which is also the left-hand pane that we discussed that is needed for price to have advancement and call speculators to stay with the trade. So again, referencing that in the market structure heat map is very essential to see market state changes. We thank one of our members for putting this together and continues to update that for us. Move over to the rest of the stocks. Obviously, you can see we had a total state change back to green in all of these stocks. Again, this is supportive in a call dominated advancing type structure market. So we'll see how this plays out today and through next week. But again, a very essential tool that is being developed here at GammaEdge to be able to watch market structure and delta state changes. We'll go ahead and jump right into the tick. Basically, this is our CT, our continuous or our cumulative tick that we watch for changes in the overall buying and selling pressure of the market to allow us to be able to be on the right side of the market. Obviously, you can see we've had a significant state change for the past 3 days. We had a trigger day down here at 10:30. We had another continuation day, and then a significant accumulation day yesterday. So again, we've back tested these. We have the results all within our GammaEdge and Discord. So make sure you're checking those out and understanding those to be able to stay on the right side of the market. I know a lot of our members have benefited from this significantly. Again, being on the right side of the market is basically half the battle, and then managing risk is pretty much the other half. Again, railroad track up. This is another state change and back tested plan that we have here for our members to stay on the right side of the market. So this is another trigger day. This would be railroad track continuation day up. And we have the back testing and the results for the probable outcomes for that. So make sure you're understanding that. And then here's our bearish and bullish cumulative tick signals, our tag combos. Again, these are the back tested tag combos we've used with our partners at EdgeRater that have our probability and probabilistic outcomes using leveraged ETFs as well as other instruments. So again, understanding the tick tag combos and where we're at. The CT is crossing into the colored ribbon, which causes the red to change to a positive slope. We still have a negative slope in our market model total. is off. But again, this is another state change and trigger as we discussed that the market is strengthening and the bulls are trying to regain control. The last thing I want to go over obviously is the total market model, colored ribbon here. Again, CT getting into the colored ribbon. This is where we would look for a possibility of consolidation or failure and pullback, or a continuation above the cyan, and then we start to get a market model ribbon flip for red to start moving above cyan. We're going to look at some pre-market price action. I've denoted some levels above us via the Gamma app or via the web app, and some pre-market Gamma levels that I'd be looking at. 43.50 is going to be extremely important, as we're going to probably gap up into that level or possibly over, as COTMC will be there. That is where the out of the money calls go in the money, and we anticipate most times that we'll see some probability of price or probability of profit taking as we move into that level. Again, looking at these highs previously from early October, roughly around that 43.90, 4400 area, which is be extremely important as we move into there. Obviously, see SPY pushing into 433, Q's trying to get up to COTMC, and then IWM gapping up this morning. Make sure you're looking at our P-Trans to PGX portfolio. We have a few nice exits the past 2 days for profitable trades. We also have a few entries coming up as the market structure state change is occurring, and we're closing above P-Trans on many of the stocks that will give us a P-Trans to PGX trade. So that's all I have this morning. We'll be in Discord in a few minutes to discuss the if-thens as they're getting updated and kind of the levels we're looking at. So hope that helps. Everybody make it a great Friday, and we'll see you later. Thanks.